We have a pristine 1963 Maserati Sebring with a problem. The boot is locked, and like any responsible mechanic, I will fix this with a drill. We started by drilling a tiny hole, trying to see the locking mechanism. I couldn't see anything. So that would be working on? What do you see?
I think what we've seen...
Well, as expected, we made the hole bigger.
Time to make a spanner, to adapt the spanner actually.
Then we sacrificed a spanner, actually 5, by bending them to reach the bolts. We only struggled for 5 hours-ish.
This is really butchered.
We tried to pull the locking pivot. I think it's called the pivot. Anyway, I'm talking about this little We couldn't do it, so we made the hole even bigger.
We'll press it again.
And it worked.
Woo! Thank God for that.
Paula, wasn't it? Toad. Of course, there were no incidents because I work very carefully. Next, we made sure the boot won't lock again. That's why I got inside the boot to open it from the inside in case it gets locked again. Probably my skeleton will never be found unless this car is ever sold.
I'm not able to move. Oh dear.
I don't know.
My work, yes, I can see this thing. That looks heavy.
Next, we removed the locking mechanism and the boot spare tire cover knocked me out.
Help. Almost there. Oops, daisy. Oh, so that is the piston that is supposed to push it. If you put, you see? Oh, actually it goes quite a lot.
Now how does that come into there? Like that.
Like that.
We found the problem, the pivot is not pivoting enough.
Well, I guess if you make this a little more, not like that, but to make it longer here.
Probably we'll take it out of there so that we've got something that we can, rather than you getting in here, because if you get in here and I can't get you out, I don't want to be that distance versus this distance. If you were to do a little mechanical advantage diagram, you'd have that there's the pivot.
Yes.
So, and that's what we're moving. So let's say you got 30 millimeters. There's the pivot. That's what we're moving.
Wait, has that metal thing.
After the precious explanation, it's time for some measurements.
30. Next we'll see how far this actually needs to go back in order to disengage.
No play in there at all.
Yeah.
Now, what we want to see
I should put something here, no?
I stress my mentor with my masking tape. I care about the car, you see.
let go.
Then we took the spare wheel cover off so I can fit better in the boot.
Right, okay, down.
Yeah, I think it's a fit.
Took the measurements and I was hoping to be released from the boot.
Almost is right on the edge now. Yep. Next, we're gonna try to do this piece. We're gonna make another one. So,
We are using a piece of We are cutting, filing, hammering, and welding.
This, and now we're gonna try to weld this thing in there. Not straight. That getting perfect. So we put some cocaine here.
Values of cocaine.
It was actually silver soldering.
No, this was bent with the whole material because you can see this way goes on a side. Cut it and you just did like this.
After some adjustment, it looked like this.
So now we need to try and,
Do a fitting test.
yeah.
It's time to fit it onto the car.
Of course, it's not right from the first attempt. Back in my cage, a posh cage. Even this is larger than the room I'm renting.
If you open it and give me the phone, here it still has a gap behind it. Yeah, let me take a photo.
Well, of course, some more adjustments.
Okay, now we're gonna fit it one more time. Then we're gonna paint it. Doesn't shut?
Well, this is high. I think probably it wants to go up there a bit more.
I'm fitting the rest of the bits back and I pray it will be right this time. But, of course, I'm having some difficult times. Of course, why wouldn't I? Painting in my dress must have good results. Nope.
Looks good. Well, except for this, but...
We're confident and we fit everything back. It's always that one bolt.
Just hit yourself.
Yeah.
After rethreading it, it fits perfectly.
This is a job for those with long arms.
I cleaned and moisturized the leather belt that keeps the spare wheel in place. And did one more test.
And now it doesn't open.
Joking. Now all we need to do is fix what we damaged. How we'll do this? Of course, we will cover it.
And we're gonna try to use this on the boots.
After drawing the shape of the aluminum plate, it's time to cut it with a proper tool that for some reason I can't use it properly, but I'm lucky I didn't damage the material. Then we give it the right shape without cutting the fingers. That is very important. Because nothing beats a hand job, we file it by hand. Wait. That sounded so wrong.
Like that.
Okay.
The next trick, onto a little plate. Hard.
Of course, I couldn't do it correctly the first time, but luck is my
That's
middle
all right.
name.
You've got the same line.
Time to drill some holes. We fitted the plate with some pop rivets. After, we fitted the registration plate and voila, like nothing happened. Now, you can give me a score for my repair. Oh, the carpet was loose, so we glued that as well. It never looked as good.
Feel actually things, so they're bolts and